Hi, this is a demo section for the second project in udacity Azure DevOps Cloud. For the project, in the first step, set up Azure Cloud Shell. We open a section for Azure Cloud Shell and clone the repository in our project to Azure Cloud Shell. As what I have here is a project that I already cloned from GitHub to Azure Cloud Shell. And in the second step, we cd to the repository folder in the Cloud Shell, and we run this command and replace two parameters. First one is the name of the web application, and the second one is with the resource group. And we run this command to create a web app for us, but I already created, so I will leave it here. As we can see, we have a web app here, and go back to GitHub. We have to set up a GitHub action by create a new workflow with Python application, this one, but however I already create the one, so we can so the GitHub action will automatically run when we have any code chain in the main branch. We have a lot of step here. Set up Python install dependency and run test. And for the next step, we have to create a pipeline with Azure DevOps pipeline, and we will just have to create a default pipeline with Python. And we have to replace two parameters. The first one is Azure Service Connection ID, that created by the information we have in the sandbox environment. And the second one is web app name. That is the name of the web app that we deployed before in the previous step. And I will take a deployment that we deploy successfully. It contains two steps. First one is build job. We'll run the test, download the dependency, and archive a zip file. And the second one, it will take the zip file archive before and deploy to the web app in Azure. And then we replace web app here to access our application, and we return a new text. I mean, we return the content of the web app that we deploy by Azure DevOps pipeline, and then we run the make predict.sh file, and we have the JSON data returned here. That's all.